In this video, I'm going to teach you how to log out of your Chromebook account. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. For this method, it's going to help you if you wish to sign out of your primary Chromebook account. And for this method, you need to use a web browser to go to myaccount.google.com. I recommend following this video on your phone through a web browser in order to remotely sign out of your Chromebook. So when you arrive at myaccount.google.com, select the Security tab over here at the left. When you go over to the Security tab, you should immediately see your devices at the bottom over here. In here, select Manage All Devices, and you should see a list of all the devices connected to the Google account. As long as you are managing the same Google account that is signed into your Chromebook, you should be able to see your Chromebook listed here. Simply select Sign Out next to the Chromebook, and the next time you open your Chromebook and you try to sign in, you will notice that the account will have been disconnected. You can go ahead and follow the prompts presented in there to sign into a new one. Like I said, you can do this process on any web browser to your computer through your phone as long as you access the security.google.com website. I hope I was able to help you on how to log out of your Chromebook account. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.